Friends, we are at an interesting juncture in the financial markets, and we are in the midst of pandemic recovery path. World over, global central banks are in the process of calibrating and reassessing their liquidity support to the world economy. Next few quarters, we are probably going to witness massive volatility in the markets because of US Federal Reserve rate hikes and state elections in India. Last 2 years have been eventful for most asset classes. Equities have been buoyant over this period, while bond markets had a subdued 2021 after a solid 2020. However, during these challenging times, the rate of interest on traditional savings products like fixed deposits have dropped significantly and are expected not to beat inflation over a considerably long period of time. Risk assets have delivered higher than historical returns in the last 2 years. Various partners have highlighted significant need for a product which can offer consistent returns, which can beat inflation, and have a probability of minimal capital loss. With this aim, and after a lot of deliberations at our end, we have ideated a unique product for our investors, that is ITI Conservative Hybrid Fund. We believe from the mutual fund distributor point of view, this is a very interesting product which would help to onboard new customers and at the same time can offer a smooth investment experience. The fund has a unique asset allocation methodology which enables it to allocate money between equity and debt quite seamlessly. So as to limit the risk and give a better risk-adjusted return experience, the fund allocates minimum 75% investment in high-quality debt securities. The remaining component will be invested in equity and equity-related instruments of companies belonging to Nifty 50 large cap index. Equity exposure will range between 10 to 25% of the AUM and will be dynamically managed to give investors a smooth investment experience. So to minimize the volatility, the fund will generally not invest in mid and small cap stocks. Investors usually find it challenging to understand which category of debt instruments to choose from, when to enter in the debt markets, and under which interest rate scenario the debt instruments will generate returns. Generally, this is an expert subject and need long-standing experience to manage these situations. Capturing the movements in interest rates and to benefit from the volatility in the markets, instead of a rigid maturity profile bond strategy, this fund will follow an agile and active total return strategy, which can deliver inflation-adjusted real returns over the long term. We are confident that ITI Conservative Hybrid Fund would be a great value add for investors. This fund has the potential to generate tax-efficient returns, which can be competitive in the market and stronger than traditional savings products, and can potentially beat inflation and have a low probability of capital loss if invested with a long-term mindset. We believe that this fund is an all-weather product with an asset allocation strategy which could ideally be part of your core holdings. Don't miss this opportunity to get stability by your side. Now it is time to be ready, steady, and grow.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully